Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Monday the 6th of February 2023. Let's take a look at crypto markets. We've seen BTC and Ethereum both gap lower on the open of today, that's Monday. It's trading, so we saw Bitcoin open below the 23k handle and just trying to stabilize slightly, just heading back towards that handle in fact over the past hour or so. Ethereum currently at 1635. We're right bang in the middle of the range there on Ethereum. Range highs being between 1675 and 1700 as we saw the highs of the week last week, and then down with the lows at around 1550 to 1500. BTC is just starting to show some signs of looking a little bit toppy. Have we had that overextension and are we set for a bigger pullback than the one from 24 to 23? I'm talking moves maybe back down into 21,850, but even so much as 21,000. These sort of areas here. I think that 21,850 is quite significant. I would say you can see how much resistance was there at one point. We smashed through there a few weeks ago on the 20th, that daily bar. And then we didn't go back, and we haven't retested that level. So I'd like to see a move into 21,850 really on BTC, and then that'll be a big test between the bulls and the bears. Basically, who can win that battle? I would say at this level will be deciding the next direction. A battle won by the bulls, and you can see this market retesting and even breaking 24. Won by the bears, and you could see a full fade of this entire move back down to 21,128 and even 20k. Ethereum we've just talked about. Ripple is not really going anywhere at all. It's very illiquid trading environment at the minute. You can see that reflected in some of these bars. You can see the amount of doji bars and long wicks to the upside that we're getting. It's just because price is jumping around quite significantly. So very illiquid trading environment on Ripple at the moment. LTC, Litecoin, have been one of the top performers this year. We've had some continue with, in terms of percentages, it's been outperforming BTC and Ethereum. We've seen a gap down in this market as well today, moved back down to 95. It's currently behaving really like a high beta of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's moving in a similar direction of travel at all times, but when we're moving lower, this one's getting hurt more in terms of percentages, but when we move higher, it's actually gaining more in percentages. So it's certainly been an interesting one, Litecoin, to keep following, and the continued higher lows that we've had in this trend since the 19th of December last year has been pretty interesting and quite impressive. Every single time we've come into one of these support levels, it's held. This time we're at 95. Can we hold 95 and then get back through for a retest of 100, 102 and continue this trend to the upside? Like I said, there has been a slightly risk-off tone to markets so far today. The dollar index has been trading near its highs of the day as well, pressuring all G10 currencies, and of course that just adds to pressure as well for cryptos. Treasuries have been sliding, mirroring declines in UK and German bond markets. Oil and gold rose, so it's been a risk-off start to the day. Let's see what the US session has in store. That kicks off in just over an hour. I'll leave it all there for today. I'll see you all inside the chat. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.